WinBAR is a linear profile nesting software and is typically linked with other steel project software such as WinSteel or WinSAR. However, it can also be a standalone software package. In the following demo, WinBAR will be used as a link to WinSteel. Starting from WinSteel, drag and drop a contract and use the filter options if so desired. Enable both the machine and WinBAR icons and then click the green check icon to automatically open WinBAR and import the selected pieces. In the main page, all the pieces to be nested will be displayed. In addition, it is possible to further filter the pieces by machine, profile, material grade, and coding. WinBAR has the ability to perform calculations based on the machine parameters. In the nesting parameters section, it is possible to adjust items like first cut, kerf, distance between non-parallel cuts, and others. These parameters will ensure that the total length of the bar will be compensated for lost material. In addition, it is also possible to optimize the nesting based on tooling changing and number of tool holders per flange. This is ideal for machines that require manual changing of tools. Prior to starting the nesting, the user can add stock manually or import directly from WinStock. To do so manually, simply right-click and select Add. Then fill in the desired information. If WinBAR is linked with WinStock, click on the stock item to import from WinStock. All bars that are imported will take priority when the nesting is performed. After adding the desired stock, click on the nesting button. There are a couple different ways to help optimize the nesting. However, standard type 1 is typical for regular nesting. Under the Purchase Stock tab, the process to purchase lengths is selected for the cases where no stock is found for that profile. Lengths can be purchased by set commercial lengths, an incremental length based on a starting and finish length, and default lengths defined by the user. Also, the Profiles tab allows the user to select which profiles to nest. Once all parameters are selected, click Profiles Nesting. A summary of all the profile nesting is now visible in the main screen. The details of the nesting shows items like quantity, percentage of scrap, and leftover lengths. The green bar icon represents in stock. The yellow bar represents needs to be purchased. The right-hand side shows the pieces that are in the bar and how they are orientated. It should be noted that all nests can be manually manipulated, however, it is not often required to do so. Prior to exiting WinBAR, the user can print selected reports. These reports can range from a piece list to a bars list that includes barcodes. In addition, reports can be modified upon request to meet clients' needs. Finally, the user will be asked to what machine the CAM files are required to be sent to. This now leads into WinCN. WinCN is typically installed on the computers that are connected to the machine and is used to convert the CAM files to the necessary code files that the machines handle. There are a few configurations that are unique to every machine that the project's engineer will work with the client to validate the setup. This post-processor has all the information ranging from scribing to sensing and is typically a one-time setup. Once the setup is complete, the operator simply imports the CAM files via the network or USB keys and completes the process from there. The WinCN screen has a parts section showing individual pieces and a bar section showing the nested bars. In both sections, it is possible to have a visual display of the pieces or bars. This helps confirm to the operator which bars are to be processed. The operator will simply select the necessary items and then click Treatment. This now creates the files that are required by the machines. And completes the Steel Project's process.